Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Deepu. In today's video, I will be discussing about addressing modes. Let's begin. Introduction. Addressing modes define how the location of an operand is specified in an instruction. Purpose: efficiently specify data and optimize execution. Significance: essential for assembly language, programming and understanding data manipulation. Types of addressing modes: immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register addressing mode, register, indirect addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, relative addressing mode, stack addressing mode. Let's see one by one. Now, immediate addressing mode. Operand value is part of the instruction itself. Example, move A hash 5. Move the immediate value 5 to register A. Advantages: quick access to small constants, no memory lookup required. Disadvantages: limited to value fitting within the instruction size. Direct addressing mode. Instructions contain the direct addresses of the operand in memory. Move A 30H. Move the value at memory address 30H to register A. Advantages: simple to use and understand. Directly specifies data location. Disadvantages: limited memory space, requires additional memory access. Indirect addressing mode. Instructions contain a reference pointer to a register memory location where the operand's address is stored. Example, move A at the red arrow, move the value at the address stored in register R0 to register A. Flexible for handling large datasets, allows dynamic memory access. And the disadvantages are slower due to multiple memory accesses. Now it's register addressing mode. Operand is stored in one of the processor's registers. Move A R1. Move the value in register R1 to register A. Advantages: fast execution as no memory access is required, reduces instruction size. Whereas disadvantages: limited by the number of processor registers. Indexed addressing mode. Concept combines a base addresses of an offset to calculate the effective address of the operand. Move A 30H R1. Move the value at address 30H plus contents of R1 to register A. Advantages: ideal for accessing arrays or tables. Manipulation, flexible data structure manipulation. Whereas the disadvantages are requires additional computations, slightly slower. Stack addressing mode. Operands are stored in stack accessed using push or pop instructions. Example, pop A. Pop the top value of the stack into register A. Advantages: efficient for managing nested functions and recursive calls, automatically manages data lifetimes. Whereas the disadvantages are limited stack size can cause overflow errors, requires proper stack management. And we are at the conclusion. The summary of the overall was: addressing modes allows efficient data handling and programming flexibility. Each mode has distinct strengths and trade-offs. Importance: choosing the right addressing mode optimizes performances, simplifies programming, and leverages system resource effectively. Thank you for watching the video. Let us meet in another video. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you once again.